Hey everybody, I hope you're all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I'll be explaining to you guys how you can actually ride dragons in Skyrim by using this screenshot only, since it's easier than me demonstrating through gameplay, and it requires less space on my hard drive, which I don't have. So excuse the screenshot, but I'll do my best to explain it to you. To actually ride a dragon, what you're gonna want to do is use the Bend Will Shout. This is a shout exclusive to the Dragonborn DLC, so make sure you have that. Otherwise, you cannot ride dragons except for that one. I think it's Odaving through the main quest line, and you'll only use him to go to that final area to actually teleport to wherever the hell you need to teleport. But yeah, I think it's Samengard. Yeah. Anyway, you want the Bend Will Shout. The way that you actually unlock this is by actually almost completing the Dragonborn DLC, the main quest line. Before you actually complete it, you will need to find the words of power for the Bend Will Shout, and afterwards, when you find them, you will need to unlock them with dragon souls. But that is pretty much the easy part. It is required to actually access the Summit of Apocrypha final game location for the Dragonborn DLC. But yeah, once you have it, just use it on any dragon in the wild, and like the Dragonborn Shout, they will come to the ground, except they won't crash. They will land, and they will land near you, and just by using clicking the use button on the dragon, you will be able to ride it. Riding it, you can't control it completely. You can make commands to attack a certain enemy, and when you're on dragons' backs, you can fast travel, and it is pretty much instantaneous. In-game time will not pass when you fast travel. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.